Welcome and thank you for choosing Chingu. You've expressed an interest in joining Chingu not only to learn about product ownership, but also to practice it at one of our Voyage teams. Our goal in this session is to define what product ownership is at Chingu so you'll be able to determine if this role is right for where you want to take your career. Let's take a minute to define what a role is and why it's important to your team. Simply put, team members contribute to the project in different ways, each having its own unique set of responsibilities. These are referred to as roles. The individuals playing a role are also sometimes referred to as an actor. For example, developer is a role, and if Prakash is a developer, he is acting out that role by fulfilling the responsibilities that come with it. Keep in mind that Voyage teams have a flat organization. Every team member, regardless of what role they may play, has an equal standing even though they may be responsible for different types of work. All team members equally share in the work, the success, and the mistakes the team encounters. Creating a successful application requires different specializations. These are called roles. We've introduced multiple roles to add more realism to our 6-week Voyage projects and to provide a path for Chingus to gain experience not only as developers, but also as product owners, data scientists, and UI/UX designers based on your individual needs. Next, we're going to focus on the product owner role to understand its unique responsibilities and how it works. Our product owner role is adopted directly from the Scrum Agile framework. However, due to the short duration of our team projects, it combines the responsibility of both the product owner and the Scrum Master into a single role. One way to think of a Chingu product owner is as an Agile project manager. Product owners guide and coordinate the team's efforts to reach their goal of reaching an MVP milestone for their team project. And just like any other role, they have specialized skills to make this possible. Product owners aren't traditional managers, since our project teams have a flat organization. No one reports to anyone else on the team. We rely on communication, collaboration, and individual commitment from every team member to define, organize, and complete tasks. Other roles in a Chingu project team already have most of the skills needed to complete a project, but this may or may not be true of those wishing to participate as a product owner. For this reason, we provide various resources to help you acquire product owner skills before you guide your own team. These include a dedicated Discord channel so you can collaborate with other product owners, a weekly real-time knowledge transfer meeting with an experienced product owner so you can share and learn new skills, and finally, an onboarding process that includes not only this video, but a Q&A meeting with Chingu management and the ability to shadow an experienced product owner before you start your own Voyage. We're also here to provide advice and answer questions as they come up. At this point, you may be saying, this is all great, but exactly how does it work? This is a great question. To answer it, we'll be providing you with the Chingu Voyage Guide that describes exactly what is expected at each stage of our 6-week Voyage project. It also includes the steps to ensure that you and your team reach your goal and have the best experience possible. We ask that you review this and we'll then schedule a question and answer meeting in the coming week so you have the ability to answer the questions we know you will have. So what are the next steps? First, and most importantly, take time to review what we've discussed so far, review the information we'll send at the end of this meeting, and then let us know if you'd like to sign up as a product owner or if one of the other roles is a better fit for your needs. If you decide that being a product owner is a good fit, you can DM at Jim_Medlock in Discord, and we'll kick off these steps to help you get ready for your first Voyage as a product owner. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it has been helpful in giving you the information you need to start on your path as a product owner at Chingu. And remember, we're available in the Chingu community in Discord to answer any questions you may have. Thanks again for choosing Chingu.